I think also what history has taught us is that protectionism is not the way. Opening up is the way that can benefit all the economies of the world, from emerging to the advanced economies. And the significance of China's contributions towards building an open economy and also supporting the SDGs can be seen firstly behind the initiatives that are carried through China's national trade policy. The G20 has been instrumental in fostering economic globalization by creating a platform that welcomes advanced and emerging economies to coordinate in terms of policy as well as any crisis that arises. From my observation, China has made significant contributions by genuinely supporting the initiatives of the G20 through incorporating the policies in its national trade policy. So you see that through the G20 initiatives, China works in collaboration with those policies.